live and nowhere to go. Got a pocket full of Wyoming wind, a cobra in my pipes and an empty mind. I see God coming round the bend. I got an empty heart, a future without any plans, a notion in my bones that Jesus was a motorcycle man. Judas was a train man kicking a can full of whiskey with a wanton one, staring at the green lights, collecting